Hey Art Friends, today we are going to draw an Easter duck.
Yeah, we hope you're going to follow along. You ready to start?
Yes.
Before we start drawing, I want to give you a quick preview of how our Easter ducks turned out. And I hope our art friends are super excited because these turned out really cute. Especially love that cute little face. I want to squish the cheeks. For this lesson, we used our markers to draw and color with. We're also drawing on marker paper, but you can use whatever you have like colored pencils or even crayons. Let's first draw our little duck's beak. We're going to draw a wiggly line. So we're going to draw in the middle. We're going to start here. We're going to come up in the middle and then down and then out a little. It's got these two little on each side. And we're going to draw it curving around on this side. Come up just a little bit, not a lot. And then we're going to curve around. What shape is that? Duckbill.
Duckbill shape.
Yeah, I don't know what to call it. Looks like a melted gumdrop. Okay, and then we're gonna draw the letter U underneath for the bottom of our little duck. The bill, the bottom of the mouth. And then we're gonna draw another line inside. Mine are a little wobbly, but that's okay. And then we could draw the tongue over here. Then let's color in that top shape or the back of the mouth. Yeah. Good job. There's our little duck bill and the mouth. Oh, we could also add little nostrils too. There we go. Two little dots. And then let's draw a circle for one eye and then the same size circle for the other eye. And then oh yeah, keep going. And then let's draw a smaller circle in the top left for the highlight. This makes the eyes look shiny. We're going to color in the big circle, but leave that little circle white. That part we sped up, so remember to pause the video for extra time. And if we ever go too fast, you can pause the video, especially if you want to add extra details. Okay, now let's draw the top of our duck's head. I'm going to start here on the left side, and we're going to draw an upside down U over to the right side. And then we're going to draw the little fluffy cheeks. I'm going to come out, and then we can draw little bumps coming down for the cheeks. And then when we get down to here, we're going to stop, and then we're going to repeat that same little bumpy line for the feathers on our fluffy cheeks to match. Okay, there's our little duck's face. It's pretty cute. Except now we need to add our little bunny ears, the Easter hoodie that our duck is wearing. So first, let's draw the top of the hoodie. We're going to match the same curve right here, but just draw part of it. Yeah, and then we're going to draw the bunny ears. We're going to come up, around, and then back down. And I'm trying to leave the same amount of space. So if you measure with your eyes here, we're trying to match that same space over here. And then we're going to repeat and draw that same little bunny ear for the other side. I like drawing these animals with little hoodie sweatshirts. They're funny. And we're going to draw the rest of the hood coming down, and then we're going to get closer to the cheeks, and I'm going to stop right here. And then we'll do the same thing over here to match. So kind of drawing it wide, and then underneath the cheeks we get a little closer. Oh, I like yours. It's so cute. And I'm glad that our two drawings don't look exactly the same, but they're both turning out awesome. That's because the most important thing is
to have fun and to practice.
Yeah, remember to have fun and practice. It's okay if your drawings are looking different too. All right, should we keep going?
Yes.
Now let's draw the inside of our little bunny ears. I'm going to draw the line at the bottom, just a little dash. And then we're going to repeat that same upside down letter U for the inside of the ears. Okay, now let's draw our little bunny's body. We're going to start over here. We're going to leave a little space, and we're going to draw a curve that comes down and gets further away towards the bottom. And we'll do the same over here. And then underneath, we're going to add the little fluffy feathers, and we're going to connect to the other side. So we're going to just draw little feathers, little bumpy lines that connect over to the other side. This is for the sweatshirt. We could also connect across the bottom for this bottom of the sweatshirt. Yeah. Okay, now let's draw the wings. We're going to draw an S curve. So curve out and down. We can match over here on this side. Then we're going to curve the other way for the S curve. So a little flip in the wings. And then we can draw the feathers coming back into the body. And then let's draw the end of the sleeves right here on the wing, and we can add 2 little curves. Oh yeah, keep going. There you go. And then you can draw 2 little curves for the sleeves on both sides. Okay, now let's draw the little duck feet. We're going to draw 2 lines for each leg. So 2 over here and 2 over here. Then we're going to draw a curve coming out to the side on both sides. And then on the inside line, we're just going to go straight down a little further. And then in between, let's just draw a little wiggly line for the web toes. And we can do the same thing on this side. This part right here, we need to connect. Let's connect it so that the head is separate from the sweatshirt. Yeah, we did it. We finished drawing our little Easter duck, except we still need to
color it.
Yes, this part will fast forward, but at the end you can pause the video if you want to match our same coloring, or you could color it differently. You ready to speed things up?
Yes.
We did it! We finished drawing and coloring our little Easter ducks, especially like yours, and all the little extra things you added, like eyelashes, rosy cheeks. I had to add the pink cheeks too, and the little drawstrings.
Oh, thanks. And I like your little shadow.
Oh, it makes it look like it's sitting on the ground. Now you could even add more things to your drawing.
Like a background.
Yeah, and maybe even a sun and some Easter eggs.
We hope you had fun drawing Easter ducks.
We do. We hope you had a lot of fun, and we'll see you later, our friends. Goodbye.